A person wants to enclose a rectangular field with four internal partitions as shown. One, two, three, four. Now you might have three, two, three, four, five, six, seven, something like that. I have four. If there is 19,500 feet available for fencing, what dimensions will produce the greatest area? Note that the internal partitions require fencing. So suppose you're a farmer setting up a pen, you want four sections for different animals you want to separate, or you're a business manager setting up your warehouse for inventory, you have four different aisles for different kind of parts and things. So, and um, you have available, you've already purchased or you're going to purchase 19,500 foot of fencing. What's the greatest area you can make out of that fencing with four sections? So first thing is the width, we're going to label W, the length L. So this is going to be L and W. And then it says find the total area in terms of W. So total area. So I'm going to go, okay, so the area of this rectangle, what's the area of a rectangle? What's length times width, right? You know that one side times the other. It's the area of a rectangle. And but we have to get in terms of W only, which means we don't want that L. We don't want that L. Well, what are we going to do about that? Well, we need another formula. And that's going to be in terms of the 19,500 feet of fencing. So that means the length plus the length. So the fencing equals two lengths, and then one, two, three, four, five widths. And that equals 19,500. Right? That's, the fencing. We have five widths of fencing, two lengths of fencing, five widths and two lengths, totaling 19,500 foot of fencing. So I'm going to use this equation to plug into the area equation. Now I want it in terms of W only, so I can plug in for L. So let's solve for L. Let's bounce this guy to the other side. So we'll get 2L is 19,500 minus 5W divided by 2. And boom, we get L is 19,500 minus 5W over 2. And so then let's bring down this area formula right here. You can see it coming, right? Area is length times width. All of this gets plugged in there. So that's going to be 19,500 over 2 minus 5W over 2 times the width. And that's 500 over 2. And this is 5W over 2 times the width. You can type it in just like this or however they will take it. And so there we go. So this is just the setup. On another problem, we would go on now and say, okay, now that you have this function for the area in terms of the width, now take the derivative, set it equal to 0, and find how you can produce the greatest, the maximum area given that amount of fencing. Very practical for inventory, warehouses, farmers, all kinds of applications. And there we go.